Global Cat Day is on the 16th of October, so let's test your knowledge on cats. Ready? Let's go. What is the largest breed of domestic cats? Maine Coon. What percentage of a cat's life is spent sleeping? It's 60 to 70%. What is a female cat called? Queen, unless she's spayed, and in that case, Molly. What is a group of cats called? The most common collective noun for cats is clouder, but there's a few others. What is the name of the feline goddess worshipped in ancient Egypt? Bastet. How many did you know? And don't forget to comment your score. Subscribe for daily knowledge boosts. In ancient times, cats were worshipped as gods. They have not forgotten this. Terry Pratchett was not wrong.